I don't want to rest. I want to pee. It's you. You're wasting your time. And then the moment I talk, I tap your eyes. Nothing you got to know and you talk to you. Nothing more than I let that feel. In my fear. So much good time. That's the prepared you gave last night. You prepared to Thomas and you prepared to change. Don't you want to buy that? That's you. Because you come up with Thomas, but Thomas, you have to put my mama there soon. The poop of my man here, the thing, Maria. And then the people mama to mama is Moshe. What was about to tell you this after the soul Moshe? That's mama tell me I want to go to the toilet. What if I not go to the eye that you all that is mama? Put me eye. But if only tell me I go to the toilet and then the fellow will say I should not go to the toilet.